If you want to take high-resolution photos on Nothing Phone 3a Pro, then first of all we need to open the camera, of course. Now, if you are aiming at the highest resolution possible, then you should actually use the photo mode instead of the expert or pro mode, because over here in the photo mode, if we go to the camera options, we can switch the quality to 50 megapixels, and of course 50 megapixels provides the highest resolution. And usually we can also change the aspect ratio, but in this case we cannot, so we are stuck with 4:3, but still this provides the highest resolution possible that we can get on this phone. So if we take the photo and if we go to the details of the photo, we should be able to find the resolution, which is this one over here. So as you can see, we have this resolution available when we use 50 megapixels. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!